What's in your pockets, precious?
Hey everybody, Chris from Black Spruce Survival here, coming at you with a quick EDC Pocket Dump. Now, this is not my in the woods pocket dump, this is my literal everyday carry. Alright, well, let's start with the basics. We got keys. We got a wallet. I'm actually using my phone to record this, but I have a little phone holster. Next, this day and age, if you don't carry, we can't be friends. So, my everyday carry piece, let's make sure she is empty. Extra mag depending on where I'm going. Should have went the other way with my stuff. Kershaw. I really like this lockup, but lighter with some wax temp, so even if the lighter's dead, I can still get this going. And when that fails, yes, I do actually carry this in my pocket quite regularly. And that's pretty much it on a daily. I mean, loadouts vary depending on where I'm going, how long I'm going to be out. I add stuff to my pack. But just wanted to do a quick pocket dump video and challenge you to show me yours. I showed you mine. Alright. See you on the next adventure.